Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming essentials so Dictate works. First, make sure Windows 10 and Office 365 are updated and your mic is enabled in Settings Privacy Microphone. Once done, open Word and sign in with the account that has Dictate enabled, then go to the Home tab and click Dictate. You're initiating the feature now. Speak clearly toward the mic. This step ensures the service can authenticate and capture audio before we move into language and punctuation controls. Now you configure how Dictate interprets you. Choose the correct language and dialect from the Dictate menu so recognition accuracy improves. Mismatched language causes errors. Next, enable auto-punctuation if you want the system to add commas and periods or plan to say punctuation aloud for precision. Practice with short phrases and commands, say new line or delete that to control edits. Make sure your mic is steady and background noise is low so Word can transcribe reliably. Finish by clicking Dictate again to stop recording, then proofread and edit errors manually. Voice recognition rarely is perfect. If words aren't recognized, make sure microphone drivers are current and that privacy settings still allow access, then test with the Windows Sound Recorder. Also, reconnect or change mics and reduce background noise. One key troubleshooting tip: if Dictate won't start, sign out of Office and sign back in to refresh authentication. Then restart Word. That often fixes cloud service authorization hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.